Hello everyone, I'm Dave Barter Mungkada from Bisabi 1EB, and today I want to talk about something that is often overlooked but absolutely vital for our brain, health sleep. Ever feel like your brain is full of gunk after poor night's sleep, or you have trouble remembering things after sleepless night? Well, it turned out this sleep is not just about feeling rested. It's actually essential for functioning of our brain. I used to think I was incredible, like I could overcome anything, even staying awake for 2 days straight when I was a kid. But now, I'm the opposite side of the spectrum. I sleep all day, I can't stay awake anymore. It is a strong reminder of the importance of sleep. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a neuroscientist, explained that during sleep our brain works hard to consolidate memories, essential strengthening the links between the things we learn during the day. If we don't sleep enough, our brain can't do this important work, and we may have trouble remembering things. You want to know three possible causes of why people getting lack of sleep. Number one, sleep and provocation of the brain. Other the fascinating thing that Dr. Joe mentioned is that sleep is when our brain get good provocation that make the fresh and ready to and function optimally. It can cause this metabolic light to build up, making you feel lazy. Number two, sleep deprivation, a serious threat. Dr. Joe warned that sleep deprivation can be dangerous, comparing it to torture. He emphasizes the importance of quality sleep of brain functioning, the need of proper sleep. And number three, call to action. So the next time you're tempted to stay up late, remember what Dr. Joe say. Sleep is essential for health and happy brain. Make sure you get enough sleep, help your brain and improve your functioning, and maybe just maybe I tried to find happy medium between my childhood sleep habits and my current sleep. Thank you for watching. Bye!